In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mumble rap with Suno AI. Mumble rap is all about vibe and rhythm, not lyrical complexity, so our goal is to capture a melodic vocal flow over heavy trap beats, sprinkle in catchy ad-libs, and anchor everything with an emotional, repetitive hook that feels modern and polished. Start by heading to Suno AI. Log in, click Create, and choose Advanced Mode. Advanced Mode gives you more control over the sound, which is key for dialing in that signature mumble rap feel. Next, focus on your style prompt. This is the most important piece because it sets the direction for the entire track. Decide the vibe you want: modern mumble rap for something current and polished, sad emotional mumble rap for moody and introspective energy, luxury or flex rap for confident, flashy themes, or dark trap mumble rap for a gritty, ominous tone. Stating the style clearly helps Suno nail the melodic cadence and energy level right away. Now add production keywords that shape the instrumentation and vocal texture. Think in terms of ingredients: auto-tuned vocals for that glossy, tuneful voice, melodic flow to prioritize sing-rap phrasing, 808 bass for deep low end, trap drums with hi-hat rolls for momentum, atmospheric synths to set the mood, catchy ad-libs for ear candy, and emotional trap to glue it together. A strong example prompt is melodic mumble rap, auto-tuned vocals, emotional trap atmosphere, heavy 808 bass, catchy ad-libs, modern production. This gives Suno a clear snapshot of the sound you want. Before you generate, add simple, repetitive lyrics. Keep lines short, focus on cadence, and build a hook that repeats. For example, a hook might loop a few tight phrases that center on a feeling or image, leaving space for the beat to breathe. Aim for words that are easy to stretch and bend melodically, and let the rhythm carry the emotion more than dense storytelling. When your prompt and lyrics are set, click Create. Suno will generate two versions, each with different vocal melodies and different trap beats. Listen for the one with the strongest vibe, the catchiest hook, and the smoothest flow. The right version will feel balanced, with the 808s hitting clean, the hi-hats giving motion, and the vocals sitting comfortably in the mix. Choose the take where the hook sticks in your head instantly and the ad-libs lift the chorus without overcrowding it. That's the process. Set the style, shape the sound with keywords, keep the lyrics simple and repetitive, generate, and pick the version with the best vibe and flow.